Dear viewers, today I am going to talk about how to pronounce this phonetic symbol, Z. So you have to pronounce the following words from the tip of the tongue, and the sound will be long, very long sound, like this one. Noisy, noisy. The tip of the tongue, the sound will come from the tip of the tongue. Busy, lazy, us, dogs, noise, days, woes. O's mean this sort of sound, O's. This. Use. If this is a verb, then the sound will be use. Business, business. Israel, Israel. Wednesday, not Wednesday, Wednesday. Always. This L is silent in British accent. Us, recognize. Visa, not visa, visa. Enthusiasm, it means deep interest. Reason. So well, that's all today. See you again with another lecture. Till then, take care. Goodbye.